Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to add or pin Google Calendar to Windows 11 taskbar to open it with Firefox browser. In case you prefer Firefox browser to open Google Calendar on your Windows 11 PC, you can pin a Google Calendar shortcut to Windows 11 taskbar. For this, first select this one a start button and then search for Firefox. Then right click on this one Firefox entry. Select here open file location. Again right click on this one Firefox entry and select here open file location. Now right click on this one Firefox application and select here copy as path option. Now close this one folder. Right click on the free space on the desktop. Select new and then shortcut option. Now paste this one path that you have copied, then put an space, then paste this one path of the Google Calendar. I will provide this one complete path in this video description box. You need to just change this one Firefox application path. After this, click on this one next button, then name it as Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut icon for Google Calendar. Right click on this one, desktop shortcut. Select here show more options and then choose this one option, pin to taskbar. Now the Google Calendar is pinned to Windows 11 taskbar. To open it anytime, just click on this one Google Calendar at the taskbar and it will load in your Firefox browser on Windows 11 PC.